Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the dollar CAD, like I've been saying, I still think it would make a lot of sense for this to go down and make a wave C to complete this 1, 2, 3 wave pattern. But that does not agree with the US dollar index. The US dollar index looks like it wants to keep going up. If the dollar index keeps going up, then this is likely to keep going up also. And luckily, we should be trading with the trend on sort of time frame. So if we're going to continue to look for longs and it just continues the uptrend, that definitely shouldn't be a problem. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still think it looks like a potential 5 waves down of A. I still think it looks like A, B, potentially C of B. And if that's true, then at some point it probably could turn down. And we are at the 78% Fibonacci retracement right now. So we will have to keep an eye on sort of time frames to see if this is where it breaks structure, telling us that the trend for the wave C of B is complete or not. Heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the trend is definitely still up. Now, like I said, we are at a Fibonacci level, which definitely could be an area of resistance, could be the area where this does end the trend. But until we actually get some sort of an end of a trend signal, I would be looking for longs on sort of time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, the last structure I'd be paying attention to is way down here. So as long as this structure right here does not break, I would be looking at anything I see to the downside as possibly just a correction to the last wave up and likely just continuing back up. Until we actually get confirmation the trend is over, every single move you see to the downside is likely just a correction to the last wave up. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, definitely a little bit of a three-wave pattern here. We got impulsa down, 1, 2, 3 up. Kind of looks to me like a wave A, looks like a wave B. It does kind of look like it could go down and make a wave C. If it does start to push down, I would put my Fibonacci retracement on this last little engulfing move up right here, the last little impulsive move up. I would be looking for 3 waves down. I'd be looking for a Fibonacci bounce to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. If it does decide to go down and break structure, that's not too big of a deal because after the break of structure and then after the pullback, I'll be starting to look for sorts for maybe the continuation of the downtrend. But the trend is definitely up, and until we actually get that break of structure, I'm only looking for longs, and I'm only looking to go long at the end of ABC pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.